time for the first inaugural run of the 2016 ZForce 800. We got her all strapped down there. A little bit of a snowy day out, nothing too crazy. It is around -5, so it's going to be a little chilly out on the trails. But we're eager to try it out, so we got her all strapped down, ready to roll. Good M1. Yep. See ya. Alright, the bike's working great. The only issue we're running into is a little issue with ground clearance. We've gone through a little bit of a swampy, puddle, rocky area, and it seems to be bottoming out quite a bit. So I think it's going to be due for a lift kit. Tried to back up one time and we were running into the back hitch there. As you can see, there is some good ground clearance, but not like a four-wheeler. so we're going to install a lift kit on it. That way we're not going to have to worry about it. I find these tires are giving excellent traction. It's comfortable. We've gone about 25 kilometers so far. Some of it gravel roads, and a lot of it's been on the trail. So we have about 15 kilometers to get back. It's starting to snow and hail out a little bit, but overall comfort, these seats are fantastic. The seat belts are kind of uncomfortable if you're not used to wearing them on a ATV like I've had, but they certainly do keep you in. So how do you like driving this over the old Bombardier Quest?
Oh, definitely much better, more comfortable. Drives more like a car. With the four-wheeler, use your thumbs a lot, and after a while you get sore, but with the steering wheel makes a huge difference.
All loaded up, on its way home. Worked great. A little over 30 kilometers on the trails. And there we go, made her home safe. Didn't get too dirty. There's a lot of water on the trails, but more just huge puddles. The bike performed great. Again, the ground clearance is definitely an issue, so a lift kit is definitely going to be in order. That will hopefully be put in this winter. Again, I love the tires. The suspension handled great. So the next few upcoming videos are going to be doing a full oil change on this. Again, I've done the front and rear diffs. And then we're going to take off the cover and take a look at the belt. And probably replace it, just more peace of mind. And then keep the old one as a spare. Anyways, thanks for watching. Again, thanks to my co-pilot for coming out along with me for the little rep today. Again, I will say it's kind of nice being a passenger and actually just looking at the scenery. And there is a little more room on the passenger side too, because you don't have the foot pedals. Anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. Thanks for watching.